watching Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and sharing my videos. It does help the YouTube algorithm. So if you're not seeing my videos, it's because you're not sharing and liking up the videos. Alright, so we're by Miss Hyacinth Vassell, the grandmother of 6 in Malvern, St. Elizabeth. And we're here to deliver 2 mattresses and to re-roof her house that was damaged by Hurricane Beryl. That was from July of this year. So we got some boards that we bought, some 2x4s and some lot. We also bought some capping for the zinc for the roof. And this is what the roof looks like. And so Star is here today and he's here to do some work. He has help, but he will be doing majority of the work. I want to say thank you so much for everyone who continue to help and assist those who are in need. You're watching Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. So we're here in Malvern, St. Elizabeth, and this is Miss Hyacinth Vassell. She's doing the dishes in what used to be her outside kitchen. Okay, well, Starry, I'm gonna see what I can do today. Ever since the hurricane blew down Miss Hyacinth Vassell's kitchen, it was an outdoor kitchen, but it had on zinc and roof, as you guys have seen in previous video. But the hurricane blew it down, and this is where she has to be doing the dishes and doing her cooking on the wood fire. She does have a gas stove, but a lot of times, she said most of the times there's no gas, so she have to cook in the wood fire outside. But that's a different video for a different time, because right now we really want to focus on the roof.
When the rain fall, the whole of the roof and the house flood right out. So
Yeah.
and the solitex, the house is straight on oneself and the solitex.
No solitex no in here. Them a piece of go tear down. Them a no solitex. But here when me I say, cause over our bed, the solitex, as you can see, gone. She needs even some window planes. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the 2-foot window planes. God have mercy.
What you want? You say no concrete along there? No. Every day you get to holla.
So why she a holla? Cause you don't know why she a cry.
Yeah, I cry because your granddaughter, they just want to take your granddaughter and not have a laugh at while you cook. What take her? The father.
Oh.
What did they hear?
Oh, the little nice girl when me say favor her granny.
Which part she gone?
She live alone and my father.
Oh, so she miss her granny.
But me tell you, make it for her with the holla for it and she don't want nothing.
She,
Because the more holla, more pressure go up.
I true, yeah, if you take it easy, grandma, you know, you like your granddaughter. Cause she love her grandmother too, you know, the little girl there, but...
After you couldn't manage him, that's why I couldn't manage him.
Oh.
I know without hearing my granddaughter, every time granddaughter chase my back at him.
Oh. We take it easy if it's true. You have to take it easy, man. You can't worry. Your granddaughter go get taken care of.
Yes, I know that, ma'am. But I know that you really.
Is what?
I have a, my son give me one phone.
Yeah.
and it can't fix. I carry it to Santa Cruz. I send it to Santa Cruz and they place.
Yeah.
Where they fix the phone. And they don't fix. Me nah nobody.
If you talk to.
Go on, gotta work on this morning.
So this is what Starry has done so far, guys. You can see the new sinks and the new boards that he has changed and put up. And this is where he's at. He's going to have to come some more new boards up here. He's gonna have to come all the way across. But he has to do it at the pace that he can, as there seems to be a lot of rain that's falling up this side and it comes early. Oh my, look at this big spider. Wow. Can you see it? This one look venomous. Like him bite here dead. I gotta ask my husband to kill him. This is actually from the other side of the house, the view from the other side. This is where the chicken coop once stood. As you can see, it's no more due to Hurricane Beryl. This is also another video for another time. I can't put so much pressures on the donors, especially when donations not coming in like it used to. So we're just doing one at a time, and I'm not focusing on any chicken coop right now. Let's get this roof on and focus on some other things that are very much essential needs. And as you can see, the hurricane really battered Miss Hyacinth Vassal house. Leak out window, tear off roof, everything, boards. Oh my goodness, and she also lost her outdoor kitchen in the process. Very bad hurricane, that Hurricane Beryl.
I'm in bed with my mother. Be with her counter.
Most of them just barely tap down, you know. You realize? Most of them just barely tap down, they not really set proper. I just did because the rain did not come in for her, she say. That's why I'm glad to buy so much of this top leak too, because the new zinc them then can use back, but then you have to go stop leak them.
Rescue winter storm.
Oh, terrible storm, you know?
Ang glass na host ako yung
Yeah?
last time, yung television sa yung host ako yung gun.
So Glaston get help from them?
No, it is going to be a part of it. All that them shows mission, I want to see.
Yeah.
Flat, you know.
Oh,
And she is a person going on to flood it.
okay.
You have a disaster, why?
Good evening.
Good evening.
How was school? It was fine? Why grandma show off say you get 92% average the other day.
Yeah, right. It looks so nice coming from school.
Doing this one. Doing this one.
Hmm?
This one.
She said in this one.
Go walk.
I bring her one of the little bag them next time me I come back. May I bring you one little school bag here? Okay. What a pretty little girl, man. May I teeth you? Me can teeth you? You come home with me? You will come with me? Oh. Alright, me gonna bring you home one day here. Okay, pretty girl.
Today's video, we are going to be taking a look at body camera footage from a traffic stop in Georgia. The officer's own dash camera clearly showed that he did not have
What?
to initiate the stop. On top of that, he wants so badly to arrest the victim of
What? Nice. Good job.
the sergeant wasn't having
You have homework?
Stick around to the end for my
Where's your homework?
Demoya.
Or word list for spell.
Yeah.
You know these words? This is what?
I. And this is.
Um.
Me. Me.
Yes, good job.
You can say ABC no mission and code go to 20.
That's good. So we have two mattress, one that I bought recently and one that was from the Beryl relief for her. The sheets and the towels are donation from my anonymous donor from Florida. So the rain started falling while we were working, while Starry was working rather, because I him do the work. And this is where she speaks of where the water dripping. Some clothes over here so wet up, you know? Some clothes over here so wet up. Watch out, it wet up the mattress. Have mercy.
Everywhere in the house is wet right now.
See, because the part over here so where you have bag.
Yes. We have to have a bag on the roof with a chapal over his finger and put over his feet and catch the water.
Where you chop all in still like it a leak.
Chapal is.
Because water drip through there so. See hole? Starry, see what I can do for this evening. Alright, so Miss Hyacinth, we have some groceries here for you. Some groceries here from Canada from my donor. Miss Claudette, Cassie, sorry, Starry's working on the roof, guys, but Miss Hyacinth was asking if me bring food because she wanted something to cook for the children who just came home from school. So we bring some little noodles and some snacks, cereal, and we have milk in there. And we also bring you something from Miss Nair from the UK. Alright, so we have things from Miss Cassie from Canada, Miss Claudette, and then we have things from Miss Nair or Miss Vernon from the UK. Thank you both so much for what you have sent for this family. Remember, guys, it's actually a family of 9. 6 children plus the adults. And there are someone who reached out to me and was questioning about Miss Hyacinth's daughter. Miss Hyacinth's daughter, if any of her daughter isn't helping. But one of them works, you know, she really works hard. And she's the one who actually helped with the weekly grocery, and she's the one who helped to send her children and helped to send even her other sister children. The sister that has the nerve problem. And even the sister that has a nerve problem, from time to time she work her ground. She plants sweet potato. So, you know, they do try. And if the hurricane didn't blow down Miss Hyacinth's chicken coop, she would have chickens. So, you know, it's people, they are trying. So I felt really bad. I felt away when nobody reached out to me after I did her video. You know? But Miss Hyacinth.
Thank you, Miss Claudette, for the food. And may God bless you. And thank you, Miss
Nair.
And may the Lord go with you and bless you. And I hope your soul will never empty. Thank you, Mr. Snare, for the food stuff. May the Lord bless you and keep you and go with you. And hope your store will never empty.
Continue.
Thank you for thank you for helping people who are in need of this help.
Yes, yes, yes. And also my anonymous donor from Florida, she's the one who sent all those sheets and towels.
Thank you, Miss
Anonymous.
Anonymous, for the sheet that you sent for me. Thank you all.
Alright. Mr. Yasin packing up our bucket. Why Starry I work from morning we don't hear nothing out of him. You Starry?
I have no time to talk.
Ah.
If you make a mistake, you know where
Yeah?
you carry insurance. One mistake you make and I don't them there do that so.
Try not make no mistake, do.
Okay. So I know.
Sorry. So he's coming from the back. Let me show you where all this using go all the way. Using as you can see. Using in the bathroom, in the passageway, all the way in here. In here. What a lot? Two before I left. How old you for work you going with still in a star?
That one no good.
Hold on to Jesus and ride out your storm.
You're not alone. You're in the storm. Brother answer is coming. Just hold on to Jesus. Ride out your storm.
Boy, I tell you, Star really deserve an award because he did this so neat and so fast. You guys have to live good and behave on yourself. This is where Star is right now, guys. Come. Yeah, clean sink. So yes, guys, I just put the sheets on the bed. As you can see, some little puffs in the bed. It's because I left the plastic on there. As Miss Hyacinth is saying that she don't want them to pee and it soaked through the mattress. But most of them, they wake them up in the night for them. They wake them up in the night for them to use the bathroom. So this one has on the sheet from my anonymous door, and also this one, so 2 brand new mattress for them. And another sheet set underneath, and then we have two towels for the family. So what I plan to do at Miss Hyacinth Vassal, the grandmother of 6, and Star is still working at on the roof. It's now something after 5 o'clock in the evening, and what I've seen here, the last time I came here, Miss Hyacinth alluded to the fact that a lot of the clothes got damaged during the hurricane when the rains came and blew off the roof, and the clothes got wet and they mix up and run on each other. So they had to burn a lot, but they managed to save a few pieces. Star is knocking, but I have some clothing for them and I want to take it to them, but I want to bring it in a barrel, a plastic barrel, so they have somewhere to store it, because for now they don't have anything to store the clothing, so it makes no sense I take them here, and I want them to take care of what people give them. So I want to bring the barrel, put the clothes in the plastic barrel and bring it to them, so they can have that barrel to store clothing and to store their clothing. But my fan is down, it needs some working on, a lot of work, so I'm not unable to bring the barrel, hence I didn't bring the clothing. So yeah, I'm just letting you guys know that I have clothing can give to them, but just that I wanted to bring it in the plastic barrel so they have somewhere to store the clothing and it doesn't just throw all over the place. You know what I mean?
You have to cool it first.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mom.
I was just in time. Miss Hyacinth said to bring her some grocery so she cook for her grandchildren.
Cool. When we take picture, you now come in a video.
Sun is going down now, guys. Almost 6 o'clock, and Star is finished with the right side, which as you can see is a little bit longer than this side that he's on, which is the left side. And we're not able to finish it today, and we need about 3 more lengths of lot to complete everything, because we bought a lot of lots and 2 before, and we also bought the capping, so we have those things. And so the gentleman that you seen in the video, we paid him to help Star, you know. He doesn't know the work like that, but he was able to hand him things and just assist him with small things. So I want to say a big thank you to my donors, the 3 sisters from Mount Vernon and the Bronx. Thank you so much for donating to help Miss Hyacinth Vassell and her 6 grandchildren. Thank you also to Miss Pauline from Canada and Miss Ricketts from Florida. And I forgot to mention that we also purchased a mattress, a 3/4 mattress from the donations. Also, whatever else donation comes in will go towards getting a few sheets of Solitex, especially for Miss Hyacinth room, being that she's asthmatic and you know she shouldn't be sleeping under the raw zinc. Also, those window planes that are missing, I already called the hardware and they told me the clear one is 300 Jamaican dollars for one, and the one with the frost is for 450 Jamaican dollar for one. Due to the fact that night is coming down, 6:30 now, guys, and the side hasn't been completed, the left side, so Starry is just using the blocks to put on some zinc on the middle section where the capping is supposed to go, because he can't put it on until he has completely changed and fix what is to fix with these zincs. Alright, because Miss Hyacinth had somebody try to help out and put on a few sheets, but they didn't do it the correct way. So Starry will have to come and correct it, and then his job will be completed. I don't know when we're going to come back, because yes, he's volunteering his time, but then you know we have to buy lunch and we have to also buy gas to come up here in Malvern. And even though this is how Miss Hyacinth had it before with the blocks on top, it's not safe having the children in the yard, so we do want to go back as soon as possible, guys, to finish the left side and to also put on the capping. Alright, and again I want to say thank you so much to the 3 sisters from the Bronx and Mount Vernon. Thank you so much to Miss Pauline and also to Miss Ricketts from Florida. Miss Pauline is from Canada. Alright, God bless you all, guys. Really appreciate it. Now you're going to hear from Miss Hyacinth Vassell. So guys, it's night. As you can see, the light is on because Starry just finished work, right, Miss Hyacinth?
Yes, ma'am.
And he did a lot of work today, not true?
Yes, ma'am. You worked very hard today.
Yes, and he did one whole side.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
whole side, him change a lot of boards and put on the zinc, re-roof it, and then over this side he did probably 3 sheets. But he couldn't do in one day.
Yes, ma'am.
So he has to come back, and I had somebody to help him. The original person that was supposed to come had an accident, so that person wasn't able to come. I had to pay somebody else to help Starry today because he one couldn't do it. Right, so Miss Hyacinth.
Thank you for Starry who helped me to remove the house and all of the donuts. Whenever rainfall, the house wet up and the roof coming like strainer, and I don't have any Solitex to put in the house because all the Solitex have been damaged through the hurricane. My bed was getting wet whenever the rain fall, the bed wet.
Yes, and he did one whole side. One whole side, him change a lot of boards and put on the zinc, re-roof it, and then over this side he did probably 3 sheets. Me that the asthma was on you for a couple of days. You were getting sick every minute because of the rain.
Yes. Sunday night I was sick, should to go to doctor because I feel like I was going to knock off. Realize with what I did get from you donors did get damage. I don't have any nebulizer to use right now. So I'm asking you please if you could help what you want, please, if you have any.
Okay, so you need a new nebulizer.
Yes.
It's better for us to buy it out here than it come from overseas. Sometimes the overseas one is better, but it more convenient to just purchase it out here. Alright.
Thank you to Michelle for coming to help me out.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you for the new bed. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
Okay. Alright, enjoy your bed, and as I said, Grandma, I will bring the clothing, but I'm going to bring it when the van driving. So I'll bring the clothing in the plastic drum for you, because you need the plastic drum to store the clothes. Well, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks for making it Shan Zen Zen Jamaican Vibes. Until next time, walk good and look out for your neighbor.